Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking you to the Ossah road in Umuahia where the road construction is ongoing. So this is Okpara Square leading to the road. This road was actually flagged off by the governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Choma Oti, last year around that September, and around that time, the construction of the road also commenced. But before then, there were demolitions of some buildings so that the road will be expanded. So this is the road. As you can see, the drainages are closed. Is not open drainage system. These are closed drainage system, and the road have not been completed. The construction of the road is still ongoing. This is the drainage, is closed, not open. So this is an update on the ongoing road construction. Tell me what you think about this road. Is the construction slow or is it fast? This is one of the demolished buildings. As I said, people's buildings and structures were demolished so that this road can be expanded, but they were compensated. This road was formerly very bad, but now the construction is making the road better. The road is now better. Vehicles can easily ply on this road for better movement. Work is still ongoing. As you can see, these are heavy duty machines, caterpillars and other heavy duty machines working on this road. This road has been under construction since last year, and the workers have been working tirelessly even on Sundays. The road was formerly 4 lanes, but I heard it has been expanded to 6 lanes. These are some demolished structures. It has been expanded to 6 lanes to make the road wider. So now I'm close to Abia Tower. So now I'm at Abia Tower. This is one of the machines for the road construction. These are still workers working on the road, working the drainage system. Like, work is seriously going on this road, and they are doing a good job. So this is front of the market after tower. Work is also ongoing there. I don't know the name of the market. Someone said is Mbari Abi Mburi market. Please, if you know the name of this market, help me and comment it on the comment section. Can you see how beautiful the road is now compared to when this road was really bad? The people of Abia State are very happy. Kudos to the present governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Choma Oti. If you are from Abia State, or you've lived in Abia State, or you visited Abia State and know how this road was before, tell me what you feel. Tell me how you feel about this road in the comment section. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and also share this video. I still have other Abia State videos on my channel. You can actually go and watch and see what Abia State looks like in 2024. So now I've returned to Opera Square. Thank you.